guys, my name is Gauri and I love science experiments. Here I have a very strong magnet. Every magnet has a north pole and a south pole, like Earth. But I don't know which one is the north pole of these two magnets and which one is the south pole of these two magnets. For this experiment, we're going to show you how. Here I have a compass. Every compass shows north, south, and east and west. I'm going to put my magnet close and see if it's north or south, or east or west. The red needle's pointing towards my magnet. That means this is the south side of my magnet. Let's go see if I flip it. Now the white needle's pointing towards my magnet. That means this is the north side of the magnet. That's how I know this is north side and that's the south side.